Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to check for software update in your Samsung TV. So at first just go to home screen. Now open up your settings app. You have to just press this settings button from your remote, and at the bottom you can see settings option. Then you have to just select it and then press OK from your remote, and then go to all settings option. Now from here scroll down and then go to support option, and here at the top you can see software update option. Then just select it and then press OK. Now if you want to check for software update, you have to just click on update now option, and you can see that will start checking for software updates. And that's it. You can see my TV software is up to date and there are no new updates in my TV, and it's done. You can also enable or disable auto update option from here. And that is how you can check for software update in your Samsung TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.